Have you ever heard of a mosque where the sky itself responded to the prayer of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him? A place where clouds gathered, rain poured, and a miracle unfolded before the eyes of people of Medina. That mosque is Masjid Ghamama, one of the most mysterious and spiritually charged places in Islamic history. The very name Ghamama means clouds, but why was it called this? Scholar says it was here that the Prophet, peace be upon him, once prayed for rain, and a cloud appeared above him, showering blessings on the land. From that day, this mosque carried the memory of an answered prayer that connected heavens and earth. It was a time when Medina faced drought and people were desperate. They turned to the Prophet, peace be upon him, for help. He led them outside to the open space near where Masjid Ghamama now stands and prayed the prayer for rain. And then, as if the sky has been waiting, clouds gathered and rain fell upon the dry land. The people saw a direct response to his supplication. But that is not the only secret of Masjid Ghamama. Historical narrations tells us that the Prophet, peace be upon him, also prayed his Eid Salah here on several occasions. It became a place where thousands would gather to remember Allah, celebrate their faith, and witness the unity of the Muslim Ummah. What makes the mosque even more mysterious is its location. Masjid Ghamama is only a short distance from Al-Masjid Nabawi, the Prophet's mosque. Yet it was chosen as the spot for special prayers, almost as if its open skies carried a unique connection between the heavens and the earth. Today, many visitors to Medina pass by Masjid Ghamama without realizing its deep history. It stands quietly overshadowed by the grandeur of the Prophet's mosque. But for those who know, stepping inside Masjid Ghamama feels like stepping into a place where prayers were once answered directly by the command of Allah. Masjid Ghamama is not just a building of stone, it is a symbol of hope, a reminder that no matter how desperate the situation, the sky can open with mercy when a sincere prayer is made. It teaches us that the bond between servant and creator is never broken. So next time you hear the name Masjid Ghamama, remember, it is the place where the sky answered to the Prophet's dua, a place where miracles touched the earth. What do you think? If you prayed in Masjid Ghamama today, would the sky answer your dua too? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more untold Islamic mysteries. Thank you.